Hello everyone, I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching the 11th standards first lesson in English, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. William Sorian. This is the writer of this lesson. So I am starting my lecture here. This story is about two poor Armenian boys who belong to a tribe whose hallmarks are trust and honesty. We are watching this story, the two Armenian boys, very poor boys, and this story is connected for these two boys. So we will watch here. One day back there in the good old days when I was 9 and the world was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence, and life was still a delightful and mysterious dream. My cousin Maud, who was considered lazy, crazy by everybody who knew him except me, came to my house at hour in the morning and woke up tapping on the window of my room. So this story, these are two boys, and the writer saying that his cousin Maud was very crazy. Everyone was knowing that he was very crazy, and early in the morning he woke up and tapping window of my room. So he said, "Aram," he said. I jumped out of bed and looked out of the window. I couldn't believe what I saw. He said, "Aram," I jumped out my bed and looked the window, and I couldn't believe what he said, and he couldn't believe that what he was seeing. It wasn't morning yet, and he said that wasn't morning even, but it was summer, and what with daybreak, not many minutes around the corner of the world, it was light enough for me to know I wasn't dreaming. And he thinks that not summarizing, and he think wasn't dreaming. My cousin Maud was sitting on a beautiful white horse. I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes. "Yes," he said in Armenian, "it's a horse. You are not dreaming. Make it quick if you want to write." So writers think that he watching a dream, but it's not dream. It's a real, saying his cousin. So now I'm stopping my short lecture.